So this is Remi, our new vibe coding agent. And if you don't know what Remi is yet, I'll post this link as well, remi.ms.agent.ai. Remi actually built this to introduce itself. So I have had this idea for a while for an application, and instead of telling you about it, I'm actually just going to start recording my voice and telling Remi about it so that it can start to build it for me. Here we go. This is like a built-in whisper flow. And since I said that, I'm just going to reset this here. So I want to build an application that allows me to better connect with my friends without having to always consistently try to make plans and coordinate times. I want to be able to share a shared calendar with my friends that has all the different things that I'm up to that week. Maybe I have a gym class that I'm going to, or I want to go for a hike one day that it's going to be sunny, or have an event or a movie I want to watch and I have tickets to. I want to be able to map all my social events on a weekly or monthly calendar view, and I want to invite my friends to be able to snoop my calendar and then just add themselves to event. They see like RSVP to one of those events with me. And that way I know that they are joining me and they want to join me on that activity. I want also all either in the first draft or in future drafts be able for my friends to also create their own calendar. So a multi kind of user experience, and for all of us to be able to join each other's events. And we want to be able to see who has joined what event, especially if there's like a capacity limit, but probably don't have to worry about that right now. Anyway, let me pause it there. That was like a long, rambly description of what I want to achieve. And Remi is going to help drill it down for me. So it is taking everything I just said and it's thinking, and it's going to come back with some questions for me to narrow things down a bit. So I'll come back when it's ready. Okay, do I have a name in mind for the app? No, let's just let Remi choose. What's the vibe I'm going for? I think casual and playful sounds good. How will you and your friends mostly use this app? Mostly on phones, mix of phone and desktop, mostly on desktop. Let's go. A mix. How should friends connect with each other? Share a link to my calendar. Anyone with the link can view an RSVP, add friends by email and phone. Both options sounds good. What kinds of activities do you typically post? I'm going to say things like walks, coffee, coworking, days, workout classes, and events, concerts, that kind of thing. What should the default calendar view be? Week view. Let's do a week view. For the first version, what matters most to you? Creating or sharing my own events. Oh, I actually didn't include this in my kind of rant, but I would love notifications. So I'm glad that Remi asked. So now Remi has a bit more information, a bit more details, and it's going to start to put together a spec for what this could look like. Oh, looks like Remi had a few follow-up questions. So let's see. Do any of these names speak to you, or pitch your own? Downtime, open invite, tag along, hangs, other. I love open invite. How should notifications work? In-app only, email notifications. Let's do both. Let's see. Sometimes I'm a little hesitant to choose the both because I'm like so impatient and I want to see what Remi will create right away, and I worry for giving it too much to do, but it won't take too much longer, that's for sure. How much detail should an event have? Keep it light, moderate detail, full detail. Let's do moderate. How many people should sign up, log in? How should people sign up? I don't really care either. Okay, so let's let it go to work. We'll see if it has enough information to start building or if it asks for some more follow-up questions. Okay, it's been a couple minutes, so let's see how things are going so far. The design agent is working, and you can see a logo created here, color palette. I actually really love the color palette. Typography. Oh, you can see like the desktop layout, what it looks like. This is so cool. So this design agent is just creating all these instructions for when it's time to build. Let's give it a couple minutes and come back later. So you can start seeing the spec coming together. Oh, and look, it's ready to build. But before we do that, let's just have a quick scan of the spec. Talks about how it works. And there's going to be more stuff added after we build it. Right now we can see a lot of the design pieces all specced out. And then here's the spec for what the web interface will look like. So a lot of detail, and if there was something in here that I didn't like, I could just keep chatting and we could refine on this spec, but I'm gonna go ahead and let it build and try it out and see if I have any feedback from there. You can see the previews popping up as it's building everything. It's super exciting. I'm back and this thing is pretty much ready to go. You can see the homepage here in the live preview. It says see what your friends are up to, continue with email, continue with phone, and I'm just publishing it now because it looks really good. While it's publishing here, we can see all of the cool stuff behind the scenes. Remi did a lot of work putting this all together. We have our spec here. And this is what makes Remi special, right? Is that myself and the agent can work off of the spec so that we can be really aligned on what we're trying to build and therefore like more efficient, right? And then that's all the code and a bunch of other stuff behind the scenes. So good news, Open Invite is live. Let's open it up. What I'm going to do next is set a custom domain. Go ahead with and it's already suggested that for me anyway. And you can see I can play with it here. So I'll enter in my email and I'll come back with that code and we'll give it a go. I entered in the code. Now I'm onboarding. Let's go to full screen here. What am I up to? So post an activity and your friends can see it and tag along. Let's do, morning walk. And let's pick tomorrow at not 6 p.m., but maybe 10 a.m. Where? Around my block. This is awesome. All right, so the big part of this is that we need to be able to share it, right? So let's see how we do that. Okay, I can add a friend. Maybe I'll add Josh on our team. Oh, no one on. Okay, so they need to create an account first. So that's cool. I'll send them this first. And then here we go, shareable calendar link in my profile. So let's see if this works. All right, not sure if maybe that event that I set wasn't public or maybe this is a bug. So I'll spend a little bit more time with Remi debugging this and I will post the full version. Once it's all said and done, it'll be openinvite.ms.agent.ai. I'm super excited about this. This has been an idea in my mind for so long and it is so cool to already start to see it come to life.